Hey guys, what's going on? It is TCARP. A little off the cuff video. Want to talk about this winter weather storm that's coming in to East Tennessee. Supposed to be coming in Friday evening, Saturday, Sunday, and whatnot. Now, where I live a little bit south of Knoxville, and the forecast, it's funny, all the forecasting has been quite nuts. I think Monday and Tuesday, there's going to be 30 inches. Now it's like 2 to 3. With East Tennessee, man, it just gets crazy. So what I try to do is, and what I think you need to do as just regular old people, preppers, whatever you classify yourself as, is always have a little bit of staples for things like this. Have a little bit of food, have a little bit of water, and have a generator of some sort. You know, I really like those solar power generators or those backup batteries. The biggest thing people talk about if they lose power is like, hey man, how do I keep my fridge running? And they're great question, because it's like, I can put all this stuff in the cooler and put it outside, but how do I make coffee in the morning? Just stuff like that. Or keep the TV going. Man, those solar power generators, like, the 4 Patriots ones that I really enjoy, or any other, they work really well in those situations. You can keep them plugged in. If the power comes back on for a little bit, man, you can charge it right up. It's a really great little item to have. But my wife went to the grocery store yesterday. Yesterday's Wednesday, and man, she's like, Travis, it's like COVID all over again. People just going nuts on the bread aisle, and it just shows you. By the way, if you use these weather events as kind of dry runs, it shows you what people will do in an emergency, and that's a little scary. And that's why, to be honest with you, I think it's a good idea to just be prepared just in case for anything, because you just don't know. You can't control the weather, whether it rains, snows, does nothing, the sun shines. Who knows? You cannot control it. What you can control is just what you have. So use this as a good test run if anything happens, if anybody does anything, or if the weather does anything, because it's supposed to affect millions of people. Now, one thing you need to have for if the power does go out is have a way to be able to cook food, heat yourself, all that stuff. In my opinion, if you start seeing precipitation, like you start seeing snow and all that, go ahead and start cooking that pot of chili. Just go ahead and start. Have that ready, and have that kind of just simmering. That way, if the power does go out, it's still going to be hot. You'll be fine. You'll have food already ready. Just being real with you. If you have a camping stove, phenomenal. Keep propane with it. If you have a little Mr. Buddy heater, perfect. That's what I would get. Just being real with you there. Those things are great in a pinch, and those little green canisters. Keep those stocked and handy. Have 10, 11, 12, just kind of at the ready whenever. If you have that stuff, you'll be in really great shape. You really will. Have blankets, have, again, just some food to cook, some water to drink. And if you've got a little backup generator, like backup source of power, man, just to keep the internet going and the lights on, man, I mean, dude, you'll be good. You'll be good. So it's not that hard to do. It really isn't. And you can do it very easily. Now, it being Thursday, might be a little bit late on the go. Might be little bit, the supplies might not be there. And that kind of sucks. And that's why we prepare, so that we don't have to do things last minute. But use this as a dry run if you can't get to those things. Blankets, like I said, get yourself some blankets, get those really warm stuff. Have that ready. If your power does go out and it's very cold, stay in one room. Like if you start seeing precipitation, go ahead and start cooking that nice pot of chili. Go ahead and boil you some coffee. Just have that stuff kind of ready to go. Guys, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. You know, we're not going to be sensational on this channel. We're just going to tell you kind of how I feel. And, you know, tell me what you think. Do you think I'm crazy? Do you think, you know, that you got everything? You know, what are you seeing at your grocery stores? All that good stuff. Leave a comment below, and I'll read through them and try to answer as many as I can. Guys, I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Again, it's TCARP signing out.